Groups can work together in several constructive ways, but groups can focus education about reproductive health, including encompassing sex education and access contraception, to reduce united pregnancy and empower individuals to make informed choices. By working together in these areas, pro-life and pro-choice, groups can contribute to more supportive and understanding environment for women and families facing reproductive choice. The true beauty is often considered to be more and just physical appearance. Treat like kindness, compassion, empathy, and integrity contribute significantly to a person's beauty. In sense, true beauty is a holistic concept that combine the outward appearance with inner virtues, creating a profound and lasting impact on others. Video gaming can be both good and bad depending on various factors such as the content of games, the amount of time spent playing, and the context in which they are played. We have three benefits of video gaming. Number one is cognitive skills. Many games can improve problem-solving abilities and hand-eye coordination and strategic thinking. Social interaction is multiplayer and online games can foster social connection and teamwork. And number three is stress relief. Gaming can be a way to relax and the beauty contest can have both positively and negative effects on young girls depending on the various factors such as nature of contest, the values promote, and the experience of the participant. We have potential positive and negative. Positive is confidence building successful participant, and beauty contest can boost self-esteem and confidence. The difference between elected female and male officials can be observed across various dimensions. Through it's important to recognize the vast diversity among the individuals with both groups. Here the general observation with policy priorities. Studies have suggested that female officials might prioritize different issues compared to male counterparts. Often, they emphasizing social issues such as healthcare, education, family, and child welfare or more frequently. Yes, religious persecution, those exist and continues to be significant issue in many parts of the world. The people may face discrimination in various aspects of life such as employment, location, and access to service based on their religious beliefs. This can be manifest public policies and practice that favor one religion. Media coverage is significantly impact election in several ways like public perception. Media coverage shape how candidates are perceived by highlight their policies, personalities, and controversies. They influence voter opinions and preference. The effectiveness of virtual schooling compared to person classes can vary based on several factors, including the quality of program, the individual student learning style, and the level of support provided. We have two examples of the advantage of disadvantage of virtual schooling. For the advantage, we have flexibility and accessibility. Flexibility is students we can learn their own pace and schedule which can be beneficial for those with other commitments. Accessibility is can be provide access to education for students in remote areas or those with mobility issue. And for disadvantage, we have limited social interaction and self-motivation required. Limited social interaction is student may miss crucial socialization opportunities that come with person classes. Then the self-motivation is virtual learning for often requires a higher level of self-discipline and motivation which can be challenging for some student. Cell phone is significantly influence our relationship both positively and negatively. depending on how they are used. Cell phones enable constant communication, making it easier to stay in touch with loved ones through calls and texts and messaging apps. This can be strengthened relationship by fostering a sense of closeness and connection. Absolutely. Computers and digital technologies have significantly influenced human cognition, and throughout process, they provide us with vast amount of information at our fingertips, which can be enhanced to learning and decision making. However, they also have potential to affect our attention span, memory, and even the way we interact, especially